What's up, Summer Leffin family, and welcome to another Pedal Commander recap video. But before I begin, if you are a new viewer, thanks for tuning in and thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell for notifications on when a new video drops. At the end of this video, I hope you'll hit that thumbs up. It helps our channel grow. And thanks very much for tuning in today. And today's Pedal Commander recap video is City Mode +1. So this is a follow-up, obviously, to the City Mode +2 that we had just released a few days ago. There was just a delay in that from some family stuff. And so for City Mode +1, the miles per gallon that we got is... Alright, so this is City Mode +1. I've just finished the 200 miles. And our miles per gallon, 12.2. Alright, so City Mode +1 gave us 12.2 miles per gallon. Alright, so City Mode +1 came in at 12.2 miles per gallon. Not exactly what I thought would happen. I thought the miles per gallon would probably jump up a little bit on City Mode +1. So yeah, seems to be down. So still, Sport Mode +2 is leading the pack at 13.1 miles per gallon. So instead of dropping down to City Mode Plus or City Mode 0 with nothing, I actually jumped it up to City Mode +4. So I'm going to see if that actually does anything. And then after City Mode +4, I'm going to jump over to Sport Mode +4 and just compare those two. As I said with City Mode +2, I still feel like the Jeep, the RPMs were running a little higher, so maybe that was a case of maybe some extra gas. I don't know if due to the responsiveness of the pedal in City Mode that I was pressing the pedal a lot harder and therefore wasting a little more gas, but who knows. So right now the Jeep is on City Mode +4. And as you can see from here, I refilled the gas tank. Alright, so all refilled again. Another 247 miles still empty. And so a full tank of gas, and we're going to run for another 200 miles. So City Mode +4, and then it should be another few days. It's been filled up for 2 days now. And then we'll drop this video for City Mode +4. And then we'll follow it up with Sport Mode +4. So thanks for watching this quick little recap video about the Pedal Commander. I hope you're finding it somewhat interesting or a little bit useful to decide if you're gonna upgrade to the Pedal Commander. I pretty much wouldn't change anything at this point. Just the improved responsiveness of the pedal definitely makes it worth it. I'm probably gonna end up putting it on Sport Mode on probably +2, or we'll see how the +4 works out and the +3, just because the ability of the Jeep for the increased pickup is way better than the lag without it. So yeah, alright, well, thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.